Deliverable counter by subtask. Counting deliverables will help you generate reports with real-time metrics of certain deliverables, quickly send deliverables to the client. These functions are exclusive to users with permissions to create and edit projects and tasks. Turn a task into a deliverable. Within a project, you will find the list of associated tasks. If the task is already a deliverable, you will see an icon at the beginning of the task. Now, to convert a task into a deliverable, you will have to enter the task panel. Go to the drop-down menu at the top right and choose the option Count Deliverables. You can then manually indicate how many deliverables this parent task has. Click on the green icon to save your changes. Automatically count deliverables. Activate the automatic deliverable counter by sliding the switch inside the deliverable box. You will see the numeric field become inactive, and you will be able to indicate the number of deliverables per subtask. The total sum will be displayed in the same deliverable box.